Whether you're repainting your vehicle or doing a full restoration, you may notice that your rear wheel openings are either rusted, damaged, or rotted. In many cases, you'll be able to simply cut out the rusted or damaged portion and weld in a patch panel. It can save time and money in your restoration. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1981 through 87 Buick Regal, T-Type, and Grand National rear wheel opening patch panels. These can be purchased individually or as a pair to suit your needs. These patch panels are manufactured to factory specifications in heavy gauge steel. This allows you to properly repair the rear wheel opening area of your quarter panel. They are designed with the correct contours and channels for authenticity to the original panel. At the end of the production line, each panel is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry. With decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.